Today we're transforming raw numbers into impactful visuals, specifically creating compelling tree maps using Tableau. First, ensuring your Tableau desktop software is open. Let's connect to our dataset. If you already have your data connected, perfect. If not, you'll find the data connection options in the Connect pane. Select your data source. This could be a spreadsheet, a database, or any other supported format. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the data we need. A quantitative field, likely your sales, profit, or the metric you're analyzing, and a dimension field. This will typically be categorical data, like product categories, regions, or any grouping you want to visualize within your tree map. Drag your dimension field, such as category, into the column shelf. Next, drag your quantitative field, like sales, over to the size shelf. This is where the magic happens. The size of each rectangle in our tree map will now proportionally represent the value of your chosen quantitative field. The larger the rectangle, the higher the value it represents. Tableau automatically starts to generate the tree map. You may have to switch the marks type to tree map now. The visual transformation from data to insightful information is visible. Notice how the tree map's nested rectangles are created, each reflecting a particular category. Analyze the color coding, if applicable, usually representing levels of each category. Hover to identify the exact proportional values. Fine-tune your tree map by altering colors, adding labels to each rectangle, or perhaps structuring your tree map through nested hierarchies. For greater granularity, you can add more nested dimensions by dragging them onto the colors or detail shelf. Explore different layouts by modifying the settings in the marks card. And there you have it. Now, instead of raw data tables, you have transformed data that allows for identifying dominant categories and proportions. Easily compare different segments within the dataset and quickly analyze and derive compelling insights. So, go ahead and use these steps to create your own tree maps in Tableau.